So again, I was reading a lot of the Facebook comments, and I think there's a lot of misunderstanding on what changes once we become a city. So I just want to quickly run through the powers that we already have as a town, as a CSD. We have control over or responsibility for fire and emergency services. We currently contract to the French Camp district. Police, we already have that responsibility. That's outsourced and contracted to the county. Cable and television broadband communication, that is something that the CSD controls. The master restrictions, water, wastewater collection and disposal and sanitation, engineering, gas, electricity, library, parks and rec, public education, road maintenance, stormwater management, and solid waste collection and disposal. These are all things that we as a town already have responsibility for and the powers to actually implement those as we best see fit for our community. Once we become a city, we do get some additional powers and responsibilities. And those are, as I had mentioned before, land use decisions. So we will decide how land is used within the incorporated city. So more housing, for example, or more retail. This is something that we will have zoning control over as opposed to the county. Building and safety code. This will move from the county to the city. Code enforcement moves from the county to the city. Traffic control moves from the county to the city. Animal control responsibility moves to the city again. And then very important, economic development. So as of now, the elected members of the CSD board do not have the power to invite businesses to set up business in Mountain House. I mean, they could influence it, but they don't actually have the power to actually do that. And I know I saw a lot of comments about, the sustainability of our town financially. It depends obviously on businesses coming to Mountain House. And that can only happen once we become a city and the city councilors and the mayor have the power to go and solicit interest from businesses to set up shop here and generate revenue and tax for us and generate employment for the local residents of Mountain House. So again, just to quickly run through, land use and zoning is one of the things that moves here. Building and safety codes, code enforcement, traffic control, animal control, and economic development. These are the new responsibilities and powers that we will have locally as opposed to having them with the county.